I'm Jacqueline from Get Toasted.
It's Jack of all trades, Jacqueline.
Here at Cruisers to pick out a few ingredients to create a delicious meal. Ice cream. Definitely a Reese's. Hot Cheetos and cheese. Reese's pretzels are delicious. And a for real mango smoothie would be great with some champagne. Now let's do a sandwich. All right, I think we've got some good stuff at Cruisers. Let's head back to Get Toasted and see what we can create. Welcome back. We are at Get Toasted and we are going to make a flaming hot grilled cheese sandwich with ham. Let's get started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start by opening this ham and cheese sandwich and take this sandwich out and pull it apart. And we'll grab some of our cheese and spread it right there on the bread. Don't be shy with it because it's delicious. Now we'll grab our cheese from our sandwich and our ham from our sandwich and put it right back on the bread. Now we are going to open our string cheese because the sandwich just needs a little extra cheese.
Extra cheese!
Now we're going to grab our flaming hot Cheetos and you can open them the boring way or how I prefer, the kid way. Pour some in a bag, just like that. And we want to crunch them up just a little bit. And we are going to pour them right onto our sandwich for some spice and an extra crunch. And now it's ready to cook. All right, we are going to start our mimosa with our For Real mango smoothie, sold at Cruisers, and our La Marca Prosecco champagne. And get about 2 spoonfuls. Let's do 3.
Mango.
Oh, my hands are, there we go. So now we have our For Real mango mimosa. So we'll go ahead and set that aside and we will move on to our donut ice cream sandwich. We'll grab our chocolate donuts and we will cut them in half to make our donut ice cream sandwiches, just like this. You can be safe while cutting by watching out for your fingertips. Okay, so now you're going to grab your ice cream sandwich. So spoon out some of that vanilla ice cream. It's a little messy, but that's okay. Just like so. And we have melted our Reese's cups and we will drizzle that on top.
For drizzle.
And we have our Reese's dipped pretzels that we have crunched up. And here we have our flaming hot grilled cheese sandwich and ham and our donut ice cream sandwiches. All right, now let's go back to Cruisers and see what they think.
And now, fine dining at Cruisers.
I have prepared for you a flaming hot grilled cheese sandwich with ham and a couple donut ice cream sandwiches. Enjoy!
Fine dining at Cruisers.
How did we do? Awesome! I'm Jacqueline from Get Toasted in Riverbank with Cooking with Cruisers, here to show you can make anything with a little bit of creativity. Until next time.